Good day, all pet matters. We have live crabs here. I don't know how to grow this. They still kind of small. See? Hello? How can I grow a crabs? Hello, crabs. These crabs, they are all 2 kilograms. Crabs. Maybe I get 1 or 2 crabs and let her grow. Okay, because I'm new into this fattening small crab, so maybe I just get 1 or 2 crabs and then the other goes to the wok. So I have suggestions from my viewers how to take care of these crabs, so we can grow this together. Hello, crabby. Crabby, do you want me to grow you? Huh? See? It's running away, Mr. Krabs. Oh, complete test arms, 8 arms. If you want, I can grow you big. But yours too small, huh? Maybe I get a bigger one. And stronger one. If I let you free, maybe I will have some problem catching you. You're too many. Maybe I just I will free some of the crabs. So let me select which crab is a little bit bigger than the others. How to free a crab from this file. We cut this one. Yes. Oh, you see? Oh, about those one. How to free a crabs. Yeah. Yes. See, still alive. This one, right? Oh. Free some crabs and they are still alive, so we have plenty more crabs here. Later I will have difficulty catching you. Don't get mad at me, mud crabs. Some of you will be cooked and one or two will be I will take care of one or two of you. So how to grow a crab? See? Yeah. Oh, I free the crabs already and they are getting mad at me. You see? You see that big oh my goodness. How can I take care of you now? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I have a problem here. You see? It's very aggressive crab over here. How can I take care of you? Maybe you just go to the what you call this? To the walk. They are alive. Very, very, very mad. You see this one? It's very mad at me. Hey, I did not done something wrong. Why are you so mad? See that one? Hello? Oh my. Maybe I just use this tongue to take care of these leaves. Yeah. These leaves. the leaves are dirty also. So I wash it already, but they are all still like seems just a little bit dirty. Come on. Whee! I have problem here. See this? Whee! Very strong. Come on. You see? Oh. What have I done? What have I done? Oh. You're so mad. You want me to do the same to you? Huh? No. I just better cook you. The dog get mad also. Look at that size of the arms. Oh, it's terrifying, huh? See? Oh, and he beat the other one. No. You see, that's why they cannot go together, because they will hurt each other. You see? He beat the arms of the other one. Maybe it will be broken later. No, you are not allowed to break that one. See? Not. Okay, maybe we get a container for the mud crab. One mud crab. So I will grow this. I will research how to pet for a crabs, like fattening a crab. Okay. So if you have any suggestion how to fat a crab or how to grow a crab, please leave a message. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.